Ever wonder how much you've actually used your Samsung TV? Let's dive in and find out how to check its total operation hours. First, grab your Samsung TV remote. You'll want to press the home button. This will bring up the main menu or smart hub of your TV. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear or cogwheel. Use your remote's directional pad to highlight it and then press the enter button. Now, within the settings menu, you'll need to find the support or about this TV section. This option might be a bit further down the list. Scroll through the categories until you locate it. After selecting support or about this TV, you'll see a screen with various information about your television. Look for an option that says about this TV again, or sometimes it's directly listed as operation hours or usage time. Select this option. And there you have it. The total operation hours of your Samsung TV will be displayed right on the screen. This is a great way to track your viewing habits, estimate the remaining lifespan of your device, and even know when it might be time for a maintenance check. Knowing your TV's usage hours can be surprisingly insightful. Now you can confidently monitor your Samsung TV's performance for years to come.